while creating backups for iDevice is always emphasized as very important. How to restore iPhone or iPad from backup is equally important. Number 1. How to restore iPhone or iPad from iCloud backup. Tutorial on how to restore iCloud backup on iPhone, iPad. Step 1. First of all, you should ensure that you have backed up the needed files to iCloud. To check that, you can go to Settings, Your Name, Cloud, Manage Storage, Backups. Step 2. Factory reset your iPhone or iPad by clicking Settings, General. Reset. Erase all content and settings. Step 3. Restart your device and follow the prompts to set up your iPhone or iPad once again. Step 4. Choose Restore from iCloud Backup when you come to the Apps and Data interface and sign in with your iCloud account. Step 5. Continue tapping the option Choose Backup and select a backup file to restore. Number 2. How to restore iPhone or iPad from iTunes backup. Steps on how to restore iPhone or iPad to previous iTunes backup. Open iTunes and connect your iPhone or iPad via USB. Click the device icon. Go to Backups. Choose Restore Backup. Select the backup and click Restore. Number 3. How to restore iPhone or iPad from iTunes backup using MobiKin Assistant for iOS. For those who have made an iTunes backup beforehand, you can also use MobiKin Assistant for iOS to restore the backup back to your iDevice. Here is how to restore iPhone or iPad from iTunes backup. Step 1. Open the installed software on your PC or Mac and then connect your iPhone or iPad to the computer. Step 2. Go with the prompts to make the connected iDevice recognized. Step 3. Select Super Toolkit, iTunes Backup, and Restore. Step 4. Go on to select a device to restore and choose the backup files you want to get back, and then click on OK to restore the iTunes backup.